Hi, are you curious about how to use your existing JavaScript skills to build things that you cannot build in the browser because they need to be on the server, but you're not really sure about how to use servers, how to do backend systems, and it all sounds kind of scary? Well, here's the thing. The modern backend is really just a JavaScript function. If you can write a JavaScript function, you can do backend stuff. In 2020, it's entirely possible for a front-end engineer like you to build backend systems and infrastructure that they could never build before using serverless. So I'm launching Serverless Workshop, which is going to be happening on October 5th at 11 a.m. Pacific, where you're going to learn everything you need to know about modern serverless, modern cloud functions, and how to use them to build things that you've been wanting to build and haven't quite known how. You're going to learn about how to use serverless cloud functions in 3 different environments. We're going to cover Vercel, Netlify, and AWS Lambda. You're going to learn how to read parameters from the front end, 2 different ways of reading the data that they send you. We're going to use serverless to integrate a third-party API, which is a very common use case for this sort of glue code. You're going to send an SMS, by the way. We're going to learn about using automated browsers, so you can use serverless to make screenshots, to run Chrome Puppeteer is what it's called. Then you're going to learn how to use serverless to save data onto S3, which is a magnificent way of long-term data storage and saving files and dealing with that sort of stuff. We're going to also talk about how to read and write data to the database. We're going to use DynamoDB for simplicity, but you'll be able to basically build a backend for any of your front-end apps, for a Jamstack app, for Gatsby, Next, anything like that. We're going to do all of this using a exercise-based approach. You come to the workshop, you've seen some prereq videos. Those videos are basically like a mini course that you can do in an afternoon. Come to the workshop, we do a bunch of different exercises. You learn how to take screenshots, how to talk to third-party APIs, how to do database, reading and writing, all of that stuff. And then you're going to walk away with all of the materials from the workshop, and it's going to become like a self-paced workshop kind of thing that you can do at your leisure. Join today, sales close on Friday, and I hope I see you on October 5th at 11 a.m. Pacific.